So hello everyone. Today we'll see the difference between the cross-sectional and longitudinal research design in very short. As the name suggests cross-sectional research design. It means both are the type of first of all both are the type of developmental research design. Developmental research design. Research design. Today we'll see the difference in between these two research design in respect to their data collection method. Okay, cross sectional research design, as the name suggests, cross sectional, it means a part of something. In cross sectional research design, data collection taken place at in one time only. At one time, data collection taken by the research in one time only from the individual. It means the exposure and the outcome measures in case of cross sectional research design both happen in one time. Exposure exposure and outcome measure. Exposure and outcome measure of any intervention can be taken place in one time only in case of cross sectional research design. But what happens in longitudinal research design, data collection taken place more than one time by the same individual. Data collection taken by the researcher more than one time by the same individual. It means the longitudinal research study going through a long period of time. Means you are collecting data for a long period of time in case of longitudinal research design from the same individual. But in case of cross sectional research design, you are collecting data at the one point of time only. As for example, suppose a researcher wants to analyze the perception or wants to assess the perception of a nursing student regarding the nursing profession from the beginning of the program to the end. Then this example, this is a longitudinal study. If anyone wants to assess the perception of a nursing personnel, of a nursing student regarding the nursing profession at the beginning of the program to the end. It means beginning of the program, this program is of 4 years, so beginning of the program and in first year to till the 4 year, researcher wants to assess the perception through period of time. It means a long period of time researcher wants to assess the perception, how the perceptions are changes with due period of time. This is a longitudinal research design, example of longitudinal research design. But suppose a cross sectional research design, in this cross sectional research design you are able to collect data at one time only. It means exposure of the intervention as well as outcome measures you are collecting at one time. For example, suppose any researcher wants to assess the awareness regarding the, suppose COVID-19 disease among the people of a particular area. It means you are assessing the awareness of COVID-19 among that particular area people at the same time one point of time. Exposure and the outcome measures taken place at one point of time. These are the major difference. This is basically the major difference between the cross sectional and longitudinal. Here data collection at one time only, and here data collection more than one time from a same individual. So this is the main difference between these two research design, cross sectional and longitudinal research design in reference with the data collection method. So thank